So I'm Andy Beardsley from Terra Measurement Limited. We are 3D spatial consultants and measurement surveyors, and we complete surveys in all kinds of environments for all kinds of sectors. Mobile mapping had been on our radar for quite a while, and we've tested a few systems over the years, but it didn't achieve the accuracy mark that we need as Terra Measurement Limited. We looked at the NavVis and did some careful testing over a number of months, and NavVis helped us with that, and we proved its accuracy. So at that point, we were able to buy one, and ever since then, we've used it on some quite innovative projects. NavVis Ivion is obviously used for processing the point clouds after capturing them on site with the VLX. Beyond that, we use it as a visualization tool, even when we're using the point cloud in different software. So for example, creating floor plans, drawing elevations, Revit models, we'll always use Ivion to get that immersion on the site. But what we're really trying to do is get our clients to use it as an immersive platform for them and all project stakeholders, because if they can look at that data and the panoramic images, they can probably avoid going to site at all, or maybe only once, to find themselves back in that space, just like they were when they visited the site.